So one of the things I wanted to show you here is you can take off the suction cup mount and hand hold this. So when you're walking, this type of stuff doesn't show up. I mean, it really smooths things out. Let me start the recording here. Okay, and you can hold it out like this. There we go. So now I have active track enabled, which means it's going to follow my face. And I can literally walk up my stairs. And it is bouncing. Turn around. Excuse my messy floor. There we go. Another thing I was thinking about is using something like this, which would work great. This little handle with the same type of connector on it. The problem is the screw that is included with this one is bigger than the ones here that fit on the one here. So if you could find a handle with the same type of screw, you'd be able to use it like that. All right, so now I've turned it around and I'm going to see how it does going up the stairs forward. There it's bouncing. And so I mean, it's bouncing. But anyway, I thought some people might think this was pretty cool, so I decided to go ahead and video it because I think most people use these on cars, and hand holding it sure makes a difference with the vertical axes. Thanks.